The SealMaster Skwezloc locking collar was originally designed and patented in 1966. The Skwezloc locking collar is a concentric locking mechanism that squeezes the inner ring around the shaft. This locking collar clamp design results in near-perfect concentricity, maintains ball path roundness, and is easy to install. The Skwezloc locking collar has been redesigned to provide improved lock reliability on turned, ground, and polished shaft tolerances and accommodates turned and polished commercial shaft tolerances, all while still maintaining the same simple single screw installation of preceding models. The next-generation Skwezloc locking collar's circumferential groove increases inner ring elasticity to improve clamping force on undersized commercial shafting without increasing deformation to the inner ring ball path. A larger collar and screw increase the grip and clamping force to the shaft. And the optimized chamfer profile reduces stress concentrations when the collar is tightened. In laboratory axial push-off testing, the next-generation design resulted in a 59% holding force improvement on turned, ground, and polished shafting, and a 113% holding force improvement on turned and polished shafting versus the leading competitor. To install the next-generation squeeze locking collar design, simply place the collar on the inner ring and make sure it's held squarely. Hold firmly against the shoulder of the inner ring. Tighten the single screw to the specified torque. Note: the torque specification is lower than the original Skwezloc design. Tightening to the old specification will not impact performance or clamping force. What if you could reduce your shafting costs by using commercial tolerance shafting? What if you could improve lock reliability on turned, ground, and polished or commercial tolerance shafting? For more information, visit us at www.regalpts.com.